Hi everyone, is your Roborock giving you the wheel suspended error code even though it's clearly on a flat floor? We'll try these three things first. Number one, check to see if there's any hair or debris blocking wheel motion. Number two, listen for the click. You want to hear it. That's the sound of the switches that tell the robot what position the wheel is in. And finally, number three, check for wheel motion. If one wheel is spinning much easier than the other, you could have a problem inside the wheel module where the motor or the gears are binding. One thing that you could do that usually buys you a little bit of time is the eraser trick, where you move the robot like a giant eraser on the floor. Make sure it's off for this. Then, hold it firmly and move it 10 times just like that. This can help free up any kind of carbon deposits inside the wheel motor. If none of those things work, you might have to get a new wheel module. The wheel module includes the motor, the wheel, and the switch that I mentioned before. You can get it on places like Amazon and eBay. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment down below. See you again soon.